Through the integration of Integrated Combustion Solutions, or ICS, Md&A is a worldwide leader in the repair, testing, and manufacture of gas turbine fuel nozzles for industrial and power generation customers. We have overhaul capability on fuel nozzles on GE Frame 3, Frame 5, Frame 6, Frame 7, and Frame 9. We are knowledgeable experts for Standard Combustion, Multi-Nozzle Quiet Combustor, Dry Low NOx System 1.0, Dry Low NOx System 2.0 and 2.0 Swazzle, Dry Low NOx System 2.6. The fuel type can be gas only or dual fuel. Our advanced engineering expertise combined with leading-edge equipment delivers reliable, extended life of new or refurbished fuel nozzle products. Lean manufacturing principles and a commitment to quality improvement maximizes customer value. Md&A utilizes the industry's most advanced welding techniques for repair and overhaul. We have proven expertise in the precise flow of fuel gas for our air and liquid fuel testing procedures for all fuel nozzle types. We also have new manufacture capability with testing in our ISO certified facility. Md&A has custom shipping containers for secure outbound transit in order to protect the fuel nozzle from damage. Our team has successfully repaired and manufactured over 2,800 7FA fuel nozzles to date, with all sets exceeding 24,000 cycle with no issues. A full-service OEM alternative for gas turbine components and repairs. Md&A delivers industry-leading solutions with processes and parts that are backed by guarantees. That's power through experience.